So today I've been working on a real luxury boat project, something that's a total nice to have. In fact, it's completely unnecessary for boat life, but something I really wanted to do. But before I get to that, I want to show you exactly what it takes to be able to do a boat project, because basically you need to take every single tool out of the toolbox and open every single cupboard and basically turn the entire boat upside down for what is actually quite a simple job. So let's have a look what mess we've come up with, and I'll show you what the result is. So when I started this project, everything was neat and clean. I haven't staged anything, and I haven't removed anything I didn't actually use. Now, if you're looking in front of me and you think, okay, there's a few tools lying around, this is just the beginning. So we've got tools on the couch, breather mask, plumbing setups, all the cupboards open, all the tools out, and I only took things out that I needed to use. And we go into the cockpit and it's pretty much the same. And of course I've got my drawers taken out of the cupboard here to get down into there. But let's get to the reason why I did all of this. And this is it. Believe it or not, I've just added, let me zoom out a bit, a 5-place dishwasher to my boat, because I had a hole that it was the exact size I needed for this dishwasher. So, you know, I mean, it had to be done. Like I think of my remote for the windlass and my remote for the motors as a bit of a marriage saver, I think this one could be in the same category as that. I haven't tested it yet. You're coming along for the first test. I've got a pot inside, and I've got a bowl, and I've got some cutlery. I haven't put too much in. It's going to be a test, but if it doesn't clean properly, it's not its fault, because I haven't actually got any dishwashing soap. Not a full install yet. I need to hook the outlet hose to a through hole, so I'll just put it over there for now. I've also got it plugged into a smart plug, so I'm going to see exactly how much power it draws, and ideally I'll be able to measure how much water it draws too, but going by the stats it uses about 6 liters. So my theory is it takes me a huge amount of water to rinse dishes. I'm hoping that if I do this every 2 or 3 days, it'll actually save me a little bit of water, and we'll find out soon. Okay, I've just turned the smart plug on. Yeah, see a blue light over there. Let's see if I can figure this guy out. So we're going to get power. Alright, seems to be splashing for you, but not for me. It says 2 hours 55 on the Echo Wash. I need to find out which option is going to be the least amount of electricity and the least amount of water. Let me go and check the guide. Okay, so apparently Echo is the one to use. I do remember that the Rapid might be slightly less water usage. So I'm going to leave it on Echo for now, and to see how much water it's going to be using, I'm going to catch the water that is leaving the machine, and I'll measure how much that is. So let's go and hit it. Where is the start button? Somewhere. Ah, there it is. Start or pause. Start it is. Alright, looks like it's going to take a very long time. I'll come back in 3 hours and show you what the stats look like. There's a bit of an indication on how loud it is. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but not too bad at all. Well, I'm actually very pleasantly surprised. It's all come out nice and clean, particularly for a wash cycle that didn't use any soap. In terms of power, it drew 0.53 kilowatt hours, so a little bit less than I expected. I'll have to measure the water just now, and I'll tell you exactly how much that is as well. Okay, so that was just under 6 litres, and I'm assuming there's still some left in the pipes, and probably some that's still on the dishes and that. So I think the estimate of 7.8 is probably about spot on. I'll do some more testing as I use it in future and see if there's any issues with it. And it's been a couple of weeks now that I've been using it. It looks like the Rapid is the best wash for us. It uses about 5.8 litres of water, and probably about 0.45 kilowatt hours is my final estimate after running it a few times. So yeah, total luxury item, but it works really well, and it's nice not to have to worry about doing the dishes. Anyway, we should get back to normal boat work for the next video. I've got quite a few things to fix on the outside of the boat, and to make some adjustments so that I can dock a lot easier. I've got to do a bit of fiberglass work on the front of the boat. I'm going to put some anti-skid because you'll see in the next video something's changed on the top of the boat, and at the moment I would be falling off if I was in the open ocean, so I'll put that in the next episode.